Mateo, what are you doing? What are you doing? That's gonna hurt one day. Yeah? Look at all them toys. What you got on your arm here? Let's take a look. Sunglasses. There. What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? What you doing? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. All this activity up top. What's going on down below? What you doing? Give Mama kisses. Give Mama kisses. Yeah. You ready? Day. Give Mama kisses. Kisses. Good boy. No, you can't eat this. Yeah.